Over these 10 years, she's become a champion for me, her gay daughter. And that morning, at the kitchen table, she became my co-writer. She shows me the translation after she's done and says each line out loud so I can hear how to pronounce the words. I sit with the lyrics in front of me for a bit. I try putting together bits of the verse and chorus as they come to me. She switches a word here and there so it's easier for me to sing. And back and forth it goes until I'm able to sing it all the way through the way that I like it. She titles the song Buksan ang Pusong Nasaktan, which means open a broken heart. And when I feel like I finally got it, I sing it through a couple times. She tears up and she tells me it's beautiful. Ang ating pag-ibig manatili sa akin. Itinanong